Okay guys, this is the second part. I already removed the cover for check the bell. See, the bell is pretty cracked, so we have to take the bell and replace it because it's almost fell. And we have to check the engine. We have to turn the engine by hand and see it's not locked. If you're turning easy, I mean it's good to go. So the next point we have to do, we have to check the starter, see the starter is failing or not. So, but if you can see right here is the engine is starting very easily. Let me see. Let me do it one more time. Oh my God, it's kind of hard to have the phone and do that video. Well, this is for all you guys. You can do this few tips for you can check the engine.